Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nishtha. I am a makeup artist and a beauty influencer. If you are seeing this face for the very first time and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon right next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, I've noticed lately that a lot of people amongst you are not subscribing to my channel, but I would really appreciate if you can do that because that means a lot to me. Of course, it's just the beginning, but I expect from you guys to subscribe as well. That just gives me enough motivation to create new content for you guys. It would be really great if you like this video, comment and share with your friends. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram because there is a giveaway coming up very soon. Since I have hit 5,000 followers on Instagram, a very nice giveaway is coming up on my Instagram, so don't forget to follow me there. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So today's video is about my monthly favorites. So I have been testing out some products for a while now, and now the ones that I love I'll be showing you today. So the first and the best products that I want to show in today's video are from Freewill. So Freewill is a hair care brand and they was kind enough to send me their package, and which included their shampoo, conditioner as well as a hair serum. So this is the kit that I received. Also, the packaging was very nice, and let me mention it beforehand, this is a customized kit. They asked for every detail about my hair and then they send this kit to me. So even the color is selected by me, and the cutest thing is my name is there on the packaging. Like every customized kit that they send to people, their name are imprinted on the product. So I'll mention the picture here so that you can see clearly how the packaging is. So these are three products. The first one is this shampoo, second is this conditioner, and the third one is a hair serum. I have been obsessed with them. अभी मेरा इनका शूट भी नहीं हुआ है complete, and देखो कितना सारा शैम्पू इज़ ऑलरेडी यूज्ड, क्योंकि मैं इसे कंटिन्यूसली यूज़ कर रही हूँ. दे आस्क्ड मी टू टेस्ट इट आउट जब तक भी मैं चाहूँ, एंड देन आई कैन रिव्यू देम. तो ये हाफ से ज़्यादा तो ख़त्म ही हो चुका है, बट आई एम सेविंग दिस फॉर स्पेशल ओकेजन्स नाउ. So you can go ahead and buy your customized kits from Freewill. They have a page on Instagram, or you can buy from their website as well. I'll mention my discount code in the description box below. You can use that for additional discount. The next brand that I want to talk about is Blink Care. So Blink Care sent me their customized skin kit I think 2 months ago or maybe 3 months ago. Ever since I have been trying their products, they actually claim that you will see a visible difference in your acne if you continue to follow this routine. So 2 of the products from their kit really suited me. The first one is this Blink Care Tea Tree Oil Purifying Cleansing Mousse. This is how it looks like. This is a foam formula, but it feels more on the creamier moussey side. But it is really good because of course it has tea tree in it, and it is suiting my skin pretty well these days. So the first one is this Blink Care Tea Tree Purifying Cleansing Mousse. Totally a thumbs up. You should definitely check out Blink Care if you have serious skin issues, and their team is so nice. They are so supportive. Like it's been 3 months I was testing out these products. They never told me कि जल्दी review करो or something of that sort, because they said we really want your skin to heal. You can review whenever you want. If you don't like, don't review it. But like they were really kind. I really liked the team of Blink Care, and they listen to each and every problem related to my skin and then send these products to me. The second product that I have from Blink is their moisturizing lotion. You can see this is a water based moisturizer. I was looking forward to buy a moisturizer that is water based from a very long time. I have been using Pond's for a very long time, but then I got my hands on Blink Care, and I think there's no going back from here because this is such a nice moisturizer. It is totally a water-like consistency, which is all that I need from my moisturizer. Usually my skin gets extremely oily by the end of 2 to 3 hours. So this moisturizer is really nice क्योंकि पानी जैसा है तो it absorbs really quickly, and oil तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं create करता है ये. So you can check out Blink Care. They're really nice. They have really good products. So the next product that I have is this Hair Gain Oil by the brand Beauty Obsessed. This is a brand by my friend Janvi, and her mother created this oil after all the research that she did on these, and it has personally worked for her as well. I've seen the before and after pictures, and I know her in person. Like, I can see the difference in her hair. So she was kind enough to send me 2 bottles of the Hair Gain Oil, and this is truly magical. The hair fall that I used to have was like insane, and this has really helped me, and I would totally recommend you guys to try out this oil. It's not that expensive. I think it retails for rupees 250 or 300. I'll mention her Instagram ID in the description box below. This has truly worked for me. You can check out my Instagram post where I have shown my hair volume and all of that, and mentioned all the details in that post. So this is really nice, totally a recommended product, and everyone at home is using this currently. We are loving this product. You should definitely check this oil. So next up are these cotton pads from Miniso. I am so sad to say this, that Miniso is not in all the cities. I got this packet from Miniso, Malvinagar, Delhi, like 7 months ago, and see how many are still left. I am saving on them literally. It has 180 shades in this particular packet, and I got this for rupees 150. I don't think you can get a better deal than this. So if you are anywhere near Miniso, get these cotton pads. These are amazing. Next product is also used for makeup removal. So this is the Garnier's oil infused cleansing water. Why oil infused? Because the normal one, I don't really like that one, because उससे मेरा वाटरप्रूफ मेकअप रिमूव नहीं होता. दीज मेबलिन इंक लिपस्टिक्स उससे बिल्कुल रिमूव नहीं होती. एंड इसके अलावा मेरे पास बायोडर्मा भी है. बायोडर्मा इज़ रियली नाइस, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. बायोडर्मा बहुत अच्छा है. सो दिस वन इज़ चीपर and better than that. Garnier oil infused cleansing water. The next product is a makeup product, highlighter, of course, every girl's favorite. So this highlighter is by Wet n Wild. It is in the shade Blossom Glow. So this one has a pink sheen to it. So you can see for yourself मैंने कितना यूज़ किया है. It is actually broken. और ये बहुत प्यारा हाइलाइटर है. मैंने आज थोड़ा थोड़ा यूज़ किया है ये वाला, बट इट इज़ गिविंग मी अ नाइस ग्लो. यू कैन टोन इट डाउन for a subtle glow, and you can definitely build this up for a beaming one. So Wet n Wild's highlighter are really good and in budget. You should definitely check these out. Definitely my most favorite highlighter. So next up we have makeup brushes. Like, a lot of girls have been asking me for affordable makeup brushes and good quality makeup brushes for that matter. So I got this brush set from Brandon 13. It's from the brand Focallure. So Focallure is not very easily available in India, but Brandon 13 had these, so I got this from them. It has 10 brushes in total, like supremely high quality brushes. The ones I have from London Pride are exactly the same quality of these brushes, and that set was for 7,000. Let me tell you, this one is for 1,500, I guess, and you get a cute little pouch with this. Let me show you some of the brushes that I really love and swear by from this kit. One of them is this one. This is the fluffy brush from Focallure. I use it for my powder contour, like for my bronzing basically, because it is fluffy, so it gives a nice sun-kissed effect. You can use this for powder, foundation, anything that you like, even for blush. The next brush that I really like from Focallure is this one. This is basically a powder brush, but I use it for my blush because मुझे ये शेप blush के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. Basically इसमें ना हर चीज़ के लिए आपको ब्रश मिलेगा, for foundation, for concealer, for powder, for highlighter, everything. So 10 brushes, eyes के लिए भी हैं, face के लिए भी हैं. टोटली एक कंप्लीट पैकेज है. अगर आपको मेरा रेकमेंड किया कोई प्रोडक्ट आज तक सूट किया है, ये किट पे तो मैं लाइक इसके लिए तो मैं बेट कर सकती हूँ, आपको पसंद आएगा ही आएगा. 1500 आई थिंक या 1450 में आपको 10 ब्रशेज मिल रहे हैं, एंड यू आर गुड टू गो फॉर योर फुल फेस ऑफ मेकअप इफ़ यू आर अ बिगनर. अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा इन्वेस्ट करना है तो आप डेफिनेटली किट्स ले सकते हो, जो पैक या लंडन प्राइड है, कोई भी ब्रांड की. बट As a beginner, I would not suggest you guys to spend more than 2000 on brushes. For that purpose, you can definitely check Focalure out on Brandon 13. It is amazing, amazing. So the last product in this monthly favorites video is this beauty sponge from iMagic Cosmetics. I again got it from Brandon 13. Very squishy, very nice, good quality sponge. सो इसका साइज़ डबल हो जाता है व्हेन यू डैम्पन इट, और ये बहुत स्क्विशी है. यू कैन सी बहुत अच्छे से सब कुछ ब्लेंड कर देता है. टोटली रिकमेंडेड. ब्रांडिन 13 से भी ले सकते हो. वेयर एवर यू फाइंड इट, दिस इज़ फ्रॉम iMagic Cosmetics. एक मैं ऐसे एक प्रोडक्ट ऐड करना चाहती हूँ. आई डोंट नो वो कहाँ मिलेगा, बट किसी इंस्टा स्टोर पे डेफिनेटली आपको मिल जाएगा. कोई भी इंस्टा स्टोर जो कस्टमाइज़ करता हो प्रोडक्ट्स, आप उनसे पूछ सकते हैं. Here I have this vanity kind of a thing with my name written on it. This is customized. It was gifted to me by someone, so I really like it. इसमें बहुत अच्छी स्टोरेज स्पेस है, बहुत ज़्यादा हैंडी आ रही है ये मेरे लिए, और ये वैनिटी पे रखी हुई बहुत अच्छी दिखती है. So I would definitely recommend you guys to check this out. If you find it somewhere, also tell me, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत अच्छी लग रही है. I want to stock up on these. Really nice. So these were all the products that I had for today's video. I'll come up very soon. I have a lot of challenges planned with my friends and family, but they're not getting the time to film it with me, and I am way too excited. इतना नहीं बोलना चाहिए. Okay, shut up. I don't know film करेंगे भी कि नहीं, but मेरे ideas बहुत अच्छे हैं. Okay, so this was it for today's video, and I hope to see you guys very soon. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like कर देना, comment कर देना, share कर लेना friends के साथ, and we'll see you very soon. Bye.